And go there, you put your hand on it, even if you're in ihram. Yes, you can go there, put your hand on it, kiss it, and then kneel. It's like you're giving bay'ah. You're giving oath of allegiance to Allah. You put your hand, this is bay'ah. You know how they used to do that. So you still can feel, because Hijr al-Aswad touched the hand of Allah. So you touch it, it's like you touched Yaminullah fil ard. Prophet told us, Sahih Hadith, Yaminullah fil ard. It's the right hand of God on earth. You touch it, then you kiss it out of love, and then you kneel on it. You put your forehead on it, because that means you will obey Allah in love, not in karaha, not in dislikeness. These three things you should do. It's very difficult. You can't do it because of the crowd, sisters, brothers, sometimes difficult for all of us. Many times we try, we fail. Don't worry, just say it, because you're just coming there.